Cody?
Commander Cody!
Yeah.
Oh wow, you got all the army.
This one is for you.
Thanks, Ryan.
Look.
Commander
Let's keep them all
Cody.
together.
Wow, now you have 3 Star Wars.
Let me see what is this.
What is that?
I want to check. It's a Jedi book.
Wow!
That's my favorite. Now, can you read this for me?
Santa? Not me.
Okay, pull out the rubber stamp. Hey.
Open that. That's from Uncle Simon and Auntie Vivian.
Hey. Oh. Hey, can you
Pull the ribbon. Pull the ribbon. Just pull the ribbon. Yeah, just pull.
Then I got a Star Wars costume. I hope it's gonna be coming. I wish it's gonna be a camel one.
You think it's Lightning McQueen?
No.
How do you know?
Okay, open the mouth. Not pull the string, just open the mouth. Open the mouth. What's inside?
My costume. Oh, and my house only.
Just lift it up.
Vacuum?
What did you get?
My helmet only. It's not my house. What's this one?
There's more? Okay, open it up.
There's another one for me. Wow.
Okay, can you look in the camera and say thank you, Uncle Simon? Yeah. Say thank you, Uncle Simon, for the helmet.
Thank you, Uncle Simon, for the helmet.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Do you like the helmet?
Uh-huh.